Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a Tripadvisor review link. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you want to share a direct link so customers can leave a review for your business on Tripadvisor, there's a few different ways what we can try. So the first way is to go ahead and go to your Tripadvisor business page. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to a random one here. So this restaurant, Pizza Mall in Paris. So I'm going to use this as a demo. Now, say this is the link I want customers to go to. So basically what we can do is come up to the top here, copy this, and then send that to your customer. But that's kind of the harder way to do it. So what we can do instead is go to a QR code generator. So just do a Google search for QR code generator. You can use any one of these top results. Most of them are free, as you can see here. So the one I like to use is called QR code-monkey. So you can create one here for free. Now on this page, we can go ahead and paste in your URL. So your URL is going to be at the top of your listing inside of Tripadvisor. So I want people to come here. Or you can be even more direct and click on the review button here and then go ahead and copy that in. So copy that in if you want and then put that code in here like so. And then we can set some colors here. So I can say if I want it to be red and then the background color to be like black. So it's going to be like a red and black. Click on the plus icon if you want to add a logo. So you can add a logo if you like. I'm just going to use that for now. And also we've got a customized design. So we go ahead and use a different customized design, depending how you want it to look, like so. And now once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click on create QR code, and that's going to go ahead and start cooking. So here it is here. So that's my QR code. I know it's pretty bad, but it's just for demonstration. So what we can do, we can download this as a PNG and save that on your phone or your laptop, wherever. Now, a good thing to do with this QR code, you can print it on receipts, menus, brochures, leave a little QR code on your table, even business cards, so customers can quickly access that QR code. And then once they scan it on their phone, they'll be redirected to your review page on Tripadvisor, where they can go ahead and leave you a wonderful reply.